In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos like this using AI and get millions of views on social media. First, I'll provide you with some files. The download link is in the description of this video. Once you've downloaded the files, open ChatGPT and click on the plus icon and select Add Files. Upload the video file you just downloaded. Once the file is uploaded into ChatGPT, open the text file from the downloaded folder. This file contains a prompt that I'll provide. Copy the prompt from that file. After copying it, paste the prompt into ChatGPT. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a new prompt for you. Copy this new prompt and open Google Gemini or Google AI Studio. From there, select VO3 and paste the prompt. After a short while, your video will be ready. Make sure to choose the correct video size, especially if you're creating content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Once everything is set, generate the video and download it once it's complete. There's also a second, even easier method that I'm going to share with you. Simply copy the prompt I'll give you in Simple Up. Then paste it into VO3, Google AI Studio, or any AI video generation software. Your video will be generated automatically. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future AI-related videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end.